Hey everyone, ever wondered why gaming consoles keep getting updates? What if I told you something big is on the horizon for PlayStation fans? Yes, you heard that right. The PS5 Pro could be hitting the shelves this holiday season. Why is this so important and what could it mean for your gaming experience? Stay tuned as we dive deep into everything you need to know about the upcoming PS5 Pro. Let's start by discussing what the PS5 Pro is rumored to be. According to recent leaks and insider news, Sony is working on an upgraded version of the P5. Imagine your current P5 but with enhanced performance, improved graphics, and faster loading times. Now, why would Sony release a Pro version so soon? The gaming industry is evolving rapidly, and staying ahead means constant innovation. But what really sets the PS5 Pro apart from its predecessor? Look, based on the leaks, we're talking about a significant upgrade in the GPU and CPU performance. This means smoother gameplay, 4K resolution at 120Hz, or maybe even 8K support for some titles. Remember those long loading times? The PS5 Pro might cut them down even further. Think about diving into your favorite game worlds almost instantly. And let's not forget about VR. The PS5 Pro could potentially take PlayStation VR to the next level, but how does this affect you? For starters, your games are going to look and perform better. And for those who haven't been able to get their hands on a PS5 yet, this could be your moment. Let's break down the proposed features one by one. First off, the graphics. The leap from PS4 to PS5 was huge, but the PS5 Pro, it's about to redefine gaming visuals. Then there's the processing power. Faster load times, more complex game physics, and seamless online experiences. Now consider the backwards compatibility. All your current PS5 games, they're expected to run even better on the Pro. But how does Sony plan to ensure availability, especially after the initial PS5's rocky launch? Rest assured, we've got insights into Sony's strategy to ramp up production. This leads to the big question, how much will it cost? While pricing details are still under wraps, we'll explore what to expect and how it compares to the competition. And let's not forget, with a new console comes new game titles. We'll speculate on the blockbuster games that could launch alongside the PS5 Pro. How can you prepare for the PS5 Pro's arrival? Start by assessing your current gaming setup. Is it time for an upgrade? Consider the games you're most excited about. The PS5 Pro might offer enhanced experiences for these titles. And very importantly, keep an eye on official announcements from Sony. The holiday season isn't that far off. Wow, the PS5 Pro seems like it's going to be a game changer, literally. Are you as excited as we are? What features are you looking forward to the most? Hit the like button if you found this video informative and share it with your fellow gaming enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates on the PS5 Pro and other gaming news. And before we sign off, remember this: gaming is not just about the console. It's about the experiences, the adventures, and the memories we create. So, whether you're planning to grab the PS5 Pro or stick with your current console, let's look forward to another incredible season of gaming. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.